me show you how to control Sego Gele and it will obey you like ASAP. You are going to control it and it will obey. Look at this style. Very simple and easy to tie by everyone. I repeat, by everyone. So let's get into it. First thing first, you get your Sego Gele and you're going to fold an inch in, place on your head, and it is time for us to come to the back and cross right to left, left to right. Basic two steps have just been mentioned, and those two simple steps are very simple to me, and I guess to you as well. So let's proceed. Coming to the front to manage the excess that we have, we're going to stretch one of the flap out like this and use our hand to divide, like we're dividing it into two by grabbing it in pleated form. Not too neat, just press it down, right? So when you divide it, you see it's going to form like this. So one is going to go down where we're going to use it to twist like this, gently twist it. You see the way I'm holding it, just twist it like that and you get your pin available. When you grab your pin, you're going to use it to pin down the pleated part at the side or wherever the material ends. So getting your pins available, those are office pins, those tiny silver pins. So get it available because we're going to be using it to secure. So this is me trying to, arrange, get my pin and have it secured. So after securing, you should have this standing like this. So we go to the other flap, right? And we're going to basically twist everything. We're going to twist everything down and it's going to be used to cross it at the back. Go to the back, go place the twisted parts, grab your pin as usual and secure the excess, right? So after securing, we're going to go back to the front and arrange that pleated part that we left there, but make sure that this twisted part is properly secured, right? So we move back to the front and we are just going to direct this angle, press this one down, direct this angle sideways, grab our pin, and we're gonna secure the angle down. But before securing, make sure you've already adjusted. You've adjusted all places I feel must be adjusted. Now grab a pin and go secure it right there. So after securing, I can tell you, like I will tell you that you are done creating this wrap by yourself at the comfort of your home. You have ordered your Sego and it has obeyed you. So it's as simple as this, guys. So this is the final result. If you have watched this link, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to share this video to people. And what else? Just leave a beautiful comment for me, and trust me, I'll be seeing you on my next video. So stay tuned and turn your notification bell. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.